We welcome you to the presentation of the healing medical science of homeopathy in today's world. I am Dr. P. Premajyoti Fraser, consultant homeopathic physician, presenting this on behalf of our team, Dr. P. Nagendra Babu and Dr. K. Lakshmi Janaki.
To start with some basic facts about homeopathy. Homeopathy is a system of medicine grounded in the principles of holism and natural healing. The remedies used in homeopathy are completely non-toxic and have no side effects as the medicines are made so. Thus, homeopathy is the only system of medicine that is safe and effective for individuals of all age groups, including the very young and the very old. Furthermore, homeopathic medicines are absolutely safe during pregnancy. They are extremely safe even when the individual has other chronic conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, etc. Homeopathy was discovered by an allopath, Dr. Christian Frederick Samuel Hahnemann, in the year 1796. Being a multilinguist, Dr. Hahnemann used to translate medical books, and in this process he happened to read some information which caused him to discover the principle of similars, that is, let the likes be treated by likes. This eventually led to the discovery and development of homeopathy as a medical science. It promotes holistic healing. Hahnemann used his own body as a laboratory to know the effects of the drugs, and that led to the discovery of many more medicines in homeopathy. Homeopathy is an ideal system to treat a patient naturally in a safe and gentle manner, in the shortest time possible, and offering permanent cure. Let us discuss some basic concepts of homeopathy. Homeopathy takes into account the fact that the individual is the sum total of his heredity, environmental influences, nutritional status, experiences, and life events, all of which determine his health or disease status. The suffering individual is given precedence rather than the diagnostic label. This is because homeopathy treats the individual purely according to the signs and symptoms or manifestations of the disease that are specific to him or her alone. A disease in general is named only by considering a group of symptoms common to a suffering and then giving it a name, but not vice versa. Therefore, treatment prescription in homeopathy is based on the way the person's suffering is expressed, that is, the signs and symptoms, which reflect his entirety as an individual, including his life's experiences. Thus, homeopathy treats symptomatically, keeping in mind the sum total of the person and not merely based on the diagnostic label. Homeopathy takes into account the individual's feelings and emotions and how the interconnectedness between body and mind affects his or her response to illness. This concept makes homeopathy a unique holistic system of medicine. The treatment in homeopathy. The net result is the prescription of a comprehensive treatment regimen tailored to suit the individual's unique needs, that is, the constitutional prescribing. This is the essence of homeopathy. Prescription of remedy is based on choosing the right medicine, which targets and nullifies all the adverse influences which have finally caused the disease in a particular individual. Such treatment gets to the root of the problem and cures the illness completely and permanently in a gentle and safe manner. The disease leaves the body and the immunity is boosted, which protects the person from relapses. The original state of health is restored, along with a sense of well-being and significant improvement in the quality of life, and not merely the absence of symptoms.
Let me explain this by giving some examples. In cases of headaches, the way the headache expresses itself varies from person to person. For example, it may be right-sided in some individuals and in some left-sided. Some headaches may be localized in one particular area, which is at the back of the head, which is called as occipital region, or in the sides of the head, the temporal region, or just in the temples for certain people, and frontal region for some. And there are certain people who feel better by hot applications, and there are certain people who feel better by cold applications. The headaches may get triggered because of anger in some, and because of physical stress in some, because of worry in some individuals, and so on and so on. Another example is in a case of common cold. Common cold generally causes stuffiness, runny nose, itchy nose, burning in nostrils, mild fever and headache, etc. When we go into these details, the symptoms vary again from person to person. In some, the stuffiness or the runny nose may be just in one nostril, while in the others it may be in both. In some, the nose block feeling may be worse when they come indoors, and in some it will be better when they are in open air. And in some, the cold conditions will be in such a way that it appears only at a particular time during the day or in the night. It's just not these symptoms alone, but there are many variations in every case. Call it common cold, headache, abdomen pain, or renal calculi, etc., etc. And one medicine is not suitable for everybody. The choice of medicine depends on all the characteristics, the major to finer details. There is no one medicine that suits all individuals and all the types of conditions, but it is entirely dependent on the symptoms alone that pertain to that particular individual only.
The graduate degree of homeopathy is Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, that is BHMS. It is a course of 5.5 years duration, which means 4.5 years of course study and 1 year internship. Homeopathy has an in-depth study of subjects like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, pathology, microbiology and parasitology, medicine, surgery, community medicine, obstetrics and gynecology, pediatrics, forensic medicine and toxicology. Along with this, we also study 4 major homeopathic subjects, that is Organon of Medicine and Homeopathic Philosophy, Homeopathic Materia Medica, Homeopathic Pharmacy, that's Homeopathic Pharmacology, and Repertory. There is also a postgraduate degree, that is MD, which is a 3-year course offered in homeopathy. The scope of homeopathy. Homeopathy effectively and safely cures all kinds of conditions ranging from acute illnesses such as common cold, diarrheal disorders to chronic debilitating conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, various autoimmune disorders, skin conditions, cancer and others. Homeopathy treatment for some conditions can avert the need for more aggressive treatment later on, example surgery, as the disease progression is arrested. Being a holistic medicine, correct prescription of medicine is based on evaluating the person as a whole, that is constitutional prescribing. However, homeopathy affords flexibility in treatment as the situation demands. For instance, when the person is not very communicative or does not adequately explain symptoms, personality traits, life events which may have contributed to his or her illnesses, or even in acute conditions, acute emergencies, especially when the person is being a child, the prescription can still be done based on the laboratory test reports and diagnostic entities, that is, the pathological prescribing. Palliative care in homeopathy. In cases where the person is already in a terminal stage of illness, homeopathy can still offer relief. Example, by providing significant pain relief and reducing suffering. At this point, we wish to add a note based on our experiences. Sometimes it is mistakenly believed that people who are already on other medicines, example, hypoglycemic agents for diabetes, cannot take homeopathic treatment. This is not true. If the person is not willing to discontinue his or her medicines, then they can surely continue them. Even in such a scenario, homeopathy can still be prescribed independently and homeopathic medicines will still act. An important scenario these days. Many suffer from, example, chronic muscle and joint aches, fatigue, pain, tiredness, but the diagnostic reports do not show any abnormality. However, the subjective distress is still great and needs to be treated. Homeopathy here effectively relieves the suffering in these individuals and significantly improves quality of life. This is because treatment is based on the symptoms of the individual, speaking the distress of the person from within and not on the diagnostic label alone. Thus, a homeopath is a complete family physician. Next, I would like to talk about the preventive role of homeopathy during infectious disease outbreaks such as endemics, epidemics, and pandemics. Homeopathic medicines are effectively used in the prevention and treatment of viral and bacterial diseases, example swine flu, chikungunya, dengue, chickenpox, typhoid, cholera, including deadly infections like encephalitis, brain fever. Homeopathy has already been effectively used during earlier epidemics such as dengue, chikungunya, and encephalitis. Acute homeopathic prescribing for infectious diseases is based on individual differences and aims to stimulate the body's internal ability to heal itself and boost immunity. Thus, homeopathy plays a very important role in control and prevention of epidemics and pandemics. We would like to summarize our presentation. Homeopathy offers safe and effective cure for all age groups and is safe even for a newborn and the elderly and even during pregnancy. Homeopathy treats acute and chronic diseases efficiently, including infectious diseases as well as non-communicable illnesses such as diabetes, hypertension, thyroid dysfunction, vascular diseases, etc. Homeopathy treats basing upon symptoms and thus can treat diseases irrespective of diagnostic labels. Homeopathy can effectively prevent as well as treat various viral and bacterial diseases and therefore has both a preventive as well as curative role during epidemics and pandemics and has been used effectively earlier. All the above makes homeopathy a good preventive as well as curative medicine. In today's world, with various illnesses, old and new, affecting and devitalizing communities and populations, it is important to understand and use homeopathy. The mad and competitive rush to reach the pinnacle has serious health implications. Unhealthy and stressful lifestyle has resulted in increased incidences of lifestyle disorders and psychosomatic problems. Homeopathy is an ideal solution for such conditions since it provides holistic, safe, and lasting healing. We take this opportunity to express our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the governmental authorities, both central and state, for the tremendous support given to us, our patients and the general public for their faith in us. Thank you.